have to know. You have to remember.
This is
Hush,
line.
child, and listen to me. You have to remember. Spin around once, rub it, and then say, Oklahoma cowbell.
What, lady? It's a line. Where'd you come from? Whatever. What the crap? Okay. What'd she say to do? Turn around. This is stupid. What do I say? Oh, rub it first. And then Oklahoma cowbell? Whoa. Does this actually work? Oklahoma cowbell. Whoa. This is so cool. Oklahoma cowbell. Oklahoma cowbell. Cool. Now what? Ow. Okay. Oklahoma cowbell. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm at a park? Why not play? What is that? Much better. Well, that was fun. Let's see where else I can go. Oklahoma cowbell. Okay. Oklahoma cowbell. Oklahoma cowbell. Yay, I'm back home. Time to get back to reading.
Hey.
Oh my gosh.
Jeez, why'd you jump? You knew I was coming over today.
Girl, I had the craziest day today.
What are you talking about?
Okay. There's this line, and this old lady, she just came over here and gave it to me. She was all being creepy, and she just disappeared somewhere over there. And I just kept on popping up places. It was crazy.
What line?
I just... Never mind.
Okay.